Solved problems. Review of accounting process problems. Assets, liabilities, capital, accrued revenue. Problem 1.7. Finding correct amount of assets. The unadjusted accounting records of BB reveal the following data. Cash 25,000, accounts receivable 15,000, accounts payable 30,000, B capital 20,000. The cash payment for the office equipment purchased was recorded, but not the equipment. If the income summary account has a credit balance of 10,000, how much is the total assets? Solution. Total assets. Cash 25,000, accounts receivable 15,000, office equipment balancing amount 20,000, total assets 60,000, liabilities and equity, accounts payable 30,000, B's capital 20,000, add income 10,000, total B's capital 30,000, total liabilities and capital 60,000. Problem 1.8. Finding correct amount of liabilities. A1 Enterprises shows the following records at the beginning of the year. Cash 50,000, accounts receivable 10,000, accounts payable 25,000, A's capital 34,000. During the year, A1 acquired furniture amounting to 30,000, of which only 20% has been paid. The 25,000 accounts payable was settled through the issuance of notes payable to creditor, and the accounts receivable was increased by 8,000. A1 income summary account has a debit balance of 16,000. How much is the correct amount of increase in liabilities? Solution. Total assets. Cash 50,000, accounts receivable 10,000, accounts payable 25,000, other liabilities 1,000, B's capital 34,000, total liabilities and capital 60,000. Total liabilities and capital 60,000. Adjustments. Add less to liabilities. Add accounts payable furniture 24,000, less accounts payable notes payable 25,000, add notes payable 25,000, add increase in accounts receivable 8,000, less income summary debit balance 16,000, total increase in liabilities 16,000, total liabilities and capital 76,000. Let us check. Cash 50,000 minus 6,000 minus 16,000 28,000, accounts receivable 10,000 plus 8,000 18,000, furniture 30,000, total assets 76,000, accounts payable 24,000, notes payable 25,000, other liabilities 1,000, B's capital 34,000 plus 8,000 minus 16,000 26,000, total liabilities 76,000. Problem 1.9. Finding the correct amount of capital. Mr. X invested into his business as follows. Acquisition cost and fair market value. Cash 28,000. Furniture 50,000. Fair market value 45,000. Machinery 30,000. Fair market value 20,000. Land 100,000. Fair market value 300,000. Accounts payable 40,000. Notes payable 50,000. Fair market value 57,000. How much is the X capital to be recorded in the books of the business? Solution. Acquisition fair market value. Cash 28,000. Furniture 50,000. Machinery 30,000. Land 100,000. As per acquisition, total assets 208,000. Liabilities and equity. Accounts payable 40,000. Notes payable 50,000. Capital 118,000 is the balancing amount. Total liabilities and capital 208,000. Total assets 208,000. Capital as per acquisition 118,000 as worked out above. Add less adjustments to capital. Less depreciation on furniture 5,000. Less depreciation on machinery 10,000. Add appreciation to land 200,000. Total capital to be recorded 303,000. Let us check the accuracy. Cash 28,000. Furniture fair market value 45,000. Machinery fair market value 20,000. Land fair market value 300,000. Total assets 393,000. Accounts payable 40,000. Notes payable 50,000. Capital as worked out above 303,000. Total liabilities 393,000. Total assets 393,000. Problem 1.10 Accrued Revenue. On October 31, 2022, X company received a 6-month note from a customer amounting to 300,000. 12% interest per annum. Record the adjusting entry as of December 31, 2022. Working. Notes receivable 300,000. Interest rate per annum 12%. Interest per annum 36,000. Interest per month 36,000 by 12 3,000. Interest per November and December 2 months 30,000 into 2 6,000. Adjustment entry debit credit. Accounts receivable debit 6,000. Interest on notes receivable credit 6,000. Total debits 6,000. Total credits 6,000. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.